Everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Claudia Walks. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out any video I upload. And on today's video, we are cutting through the noise and getting the real about something that affects something that normally affects us like every single day, and that is about politics. So whether you love it, hate it, or just want to avoid it, politics shapes our world. It decides how we are governed, how we live, and ultimately what kind of future we are building. But here is the kicker. Too many people feel disconnected or powerless when it comes to politics. And that's exactly what we are here to break down. So in today's video, we are talking about some of the biggest issues facing us right now, we as Kenyans, whether it's corrupt leaders making shady deals, government failing to deliver on their promises, or policies that just don't seem to work for the people. We will take a hard look at what really going on behind the scenes and how it impacts you. So, if you are tired of the same old sound beats and ready to get the truth, stick around. Let's pull back the curtains on the power struggles, the lies, and the reality behind the political chaos. It's time to get informed and get involved too. So I'm going to measure with Kenya. Why Kenyans should wake up? Is President Ruto doing nothing? Many people who are dying young, abduction, schools are being banned, kids are being kidnapped every day and they are not seen because of poor leadership with the President Ruto. Is this true? And as you all know that, Kenya stands at a crossroads. As the headlines flash across our screens, the question is no longer about whether we need change, but how urgently we need it. Every day, we are waking up to a reality that seems to spiral out of control. Young lives are being lost, abduction are on the rise, and the schools are being reduced to ashes. All these are while our leaders appear to be standing on the sidelines. Under the leadership of President Ruto, we are witnessing a disturbing patterns of the inaction. It's not just about politics. It's about the safety and future of our children, our communities, and our nation. Every day, parents are living in fear. Our children are not safe going to school or even playing outside. It's heart-wrenching. We need our leaders to act, to protect our children and ensure justice. This cannot go on. The banning of school is not just an attack on building. It's an attack on our future. When our educational institutions are targeted, we are robbing our youth of their hope and their potential. And now is the time for us to ask, where is the leadership we were promised? Where is the action to protect our children from kidnappings and violence? The strength of a nation lies in its people. We cannot wait for change to come from the top. It's up to us, the citizens of Kenya, to demand the accountability and ensure that our voices are heard. We should wake up, stand up for our rights, demand a future where our children are safe, our schools are secure, and our leaders are held accountable. The time for change is right now. Together, we can build a Kenya where hope thrives and every life is valued. And across the country or across Kenya, there are brave individuals and groups working tirelessly to make a difference. They are the ones providing support to the victims, advocating for justice, and calling for much needed reforms. We are here to ensure that no voice goes unheard. We are pushing for real change and demanding our leaders to step up. And like right now, it's crucial that every Kenyan gets involved. Changes start with us. With every action, every voice raised, every protest attended. change is possible actually. When communities unite and demand accountability, progress follows. We have seen it before and we can see it again. Also, participating in our democratic processes, holding our leaders accountable, and supporting grassroots movement are essential steps in driving the change we need. Kenyans are known for their resilience and their strength. It's time to change the strength into action now. Our nation's future depends on it. Now imagine a Kenya where our children go to school without fear, where communities are safe, and where leadership is truly committed to the well-being of its people. This is not a distant dream. It's a future we can build together. Get involved, support local initiatives, send petitions, voice your concerns. Every action counts. So this is time we Kenyans to wake up, stand for justice, for safety, and for a bright future. The time for change is now. Let's be the change we want to see. Thank you so much for staying around. If you like this topic, kindly let me know in the comment section. Let's keep the conversation going on. Till next time, walk good and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.